Hello guys. It's me, it's Bongi. Anyway, today I'm working on a Lenovo. This machine here, it's not turning on at all. But anyway, before I go there, I wanna answer some few things. First of all, whenever I repair a board and then I end up not finishing the video, it doesn't necessarily mean I failed the repair, or it doesn't necessarily mean I'm running away from fixing that machine. You know, let me tell you something. The most important steps when I'm doing motherboard repairs, it's not removing the components. It's not about finishing the videos. It's not about making sure that you see that the video that the machine is working, or no, it's not about that. But the main thing is during the process, of finding the faults. All those steps that I do whenever I try to find a problem. Those measurements that I get from the multimeter, those measurements that I get when I check the resistance when it's compared to ground, those are all the important things. Okay, seeing me removing the chips, putting another chips, that's not the actual repair. The actual thing is the process, is the steps that I do whenever I try to find a problem. For example, you cannot give me a board and say, "Bong, fix this board, repair the chip, remove the chip or replace the chip and make sure that the board is working." No, it doesn't work like that. I will have to take measurements there and there and there and there and there, take the measurements from all the sensing points until I come into a conclusion and say the 3.3 power rail is shorted, or the 3.3 chip is gone, it's bad, it needs to be replaced. Seeing me replacing those chips or not finishing the video, it's what can I say? There's no point. The actual point is when I'm trying to find the actual faults. All those steps that I do whenever I try to find the actual problem, that's exactly what you need to consider. That's exactly what you need to focus on. I remember I did some few videos where I didn't finish them. I don't know what was the reason why I didn't finish those videos, but I remember very well there were some few videos where I did I tried to repair a machine and then I ended up not finishing the machine. It's not necessarily mean I didn't repair the machine. You are getting this thing wrong. I didn't finish the video, but I gave you the actual thing, the steps. I gave you the necessary things. Guys, please, you know how much I love you. Please, if you are smart enough, you will focus on the steps, not on seeing the machine working. Seeing the machine working won't help you. You won't learn a thing from that. But the steps during the process, when I try to repair every machine, that's exactly what will make you to understand the motherboard and be a good technician. Because if someone is expecting me to do hinges, all those stupid repairs, I don't do those things where I fix hinges, where nah. I don't have time to do those things. Guys, you know how much I love you. Please, some of your comments, I won't lie to you, they are just I don't know what to say, but so disappointing. Anyway, I love you so much. Bye.